Hey there, digital dynamos! Ready to dive into the treacherous waters of SEO myths? Buckle up, because today I'm debunking the top 5 SEO myths that might be holding your strategy hostage. Let's get started. First up, myth number 1. Meta tags are the be-all and end-all of SEO. Look, meta tags are like the cherry on top of a sundae. Nice to have, but definitely not the main event. Google's algorithms are way smarter now. Content quality and user experience are what truly count. On to myth number 2. Keyword stuffing will rocket you to the top of search results. Imagine stuffing your face with cake. Sure, it's fun at first, but you'll regret it soon enough. The same goes for keywords. Overloading your content with them can get you penalized. Focus on natural, valuable content instead. Moving right along to myth number 3. Backlinks from any site will boost your rankings. Not quite. Think of backlinks like friendships. Quality matters more than quantity. One link from a reputable site trumps 10 from dodgy ones. Now, myth number 4, SEO is a one-time task. If only. SEO is more like tending a garden. Constant care and updates are needed to keep things blooming. Keep up with algorithm changes and regularly update your content. And finally, myth number 5. Social media has no effect on SEO. Wrong again. While social media may not directly impact rankings, it drives traffic and engagement, which are key signals for search engines. So keep those posts coming. Remember, folks, SEO is complex, but not impossible. Stay updated, stay curious, and most importantly, stay away from these myths. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Catch you next time. Swipe to learn #SEO myths.